ಯಲಹಂಕ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಜನಪ್ರಿಯ ಶಾಸಕರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಎಸ್.ಆರ್. ವಿಶ್ವನಾಥನ್ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಉತ್ತರ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಕೈಗಾರಿಕಾ ಪ್ರಕೋಷ್ಠ ಹಾಗೂ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕೈಗಾರಿಕಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಿಂದ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಮೇಳ ಅಂದರೆ ಜಾಬ್ ಫೇರ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ರಮದಾ ರಿಸಾರ್ಟ್ಸು ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲೇ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಸಕರು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹಲವಾರು ಕಂಪ್ನೀಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸು, ಏರೋಸ್ಪೇಸು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡ್ರೋನ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗು ಮತ್ತು ಬ್ರೇವಿ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಮೇಳ ಅಥವಾ ಮುಂತಾದ ಹಲವಾರು ಕಂಪ್ನೀಸ್ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಯುವಕರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಯುವತಿಯರಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮಾ ಆಗಲಿ, ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಲಿ, IT ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ಈ ಥರ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋರಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸೂಕ್ತವಾದ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಾವು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು MLA ಕಡೆಯಿಂದನೇ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಖುಷಿಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಅವರ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದಬ್ಬದ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಬಿಸಿ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪನಿಗಳು MLA ಪರವಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Yes, sir.
Director of Dhanvantri Drone Pilot Academy.
Sir.
It is located in Chikkabanavara. We are starting a 7-day program for drone pilot skill approved by Directorate General Civil Aviation. And we will register students and the course starts from 5th August. For students we are giving 15,000 discount to help them. And it is a 100% job guarantee also is there. Bangalore has so many drone companies, Mahindra Aerospace, Gopalan Aerospace, Adani's, Ambani's, and Aster Aerospace, Throttle Aerospace. So they have ample opportunities. And then Pradhan Mantri Namo Didi project is there. 1 lakh drones are given to villages. So we need 6.5 lakh drone pilots. Only 10,000 drone pilots are available. 100 drone coaching centers are there. Dhanvantri Drone Pilot Academy is one of the best in India. Inaugurated by 2 vice chancellors and 1 director of ISRO and CEO of Daksha Unmanned System and DGC and BIS officials.
Sir, what are you going to say the Indian youth, sir?
Youth can now pick up the job-oriented skills in addition to regular course, like let them do BCom, MCom or MBA, MCA. This is just a 7-day one extra skill you write in the resume, and this will be in addition to your software development skills, AI, ML, image processing, computer vision. Drone requires software, hardware, firmware, electronics, so many departments. It's a very upcoming field. In future everything will be done by drone. Drone industry is growing at 26.7 CAGR, and India is going to be the drone capital for the world in the 2030. In Vikasita Bharat, it will be the best place to learn the drone skills.
Can you wish the famous MLA's birthday today?
Yeah, it's a very good thing that the leaders like him, they are doing many things. Healthcare is taken care. They are given this job fair, and they are inspiring youth. And in this place, Yelahanka, it's a industrial belt, and creating this facility is very good. And I encourage the leaders to follow like him. And also today is the Kargil Divas, and it's a very right thing to do, to remember our soldiers who sacrificed their lives for the country. I am also a military officer. Many of my colleagues represent defense, and so it's a good thing they are doing.
Introduce yourself, sir.
I am Dr. A.T. Kishore, ex-Air Force officer, Aeronautical Engineer, Electronics, Flight Lieutenant, Short Service Commissioned Officer.
I am Group Captain Rajapan, Managing Director, Shivai Group of Aerospace and Defense Companies. We are into manufacturing aircraft, satellites, and defense equipment parts. And I also provide training to the young engineers, diploma holders and graduate engineers to work in the aerospace and defense industry. And I'm grateful to our MLA, Mr. Vishwanathan, for giving this opportunity to display our company and also inform the public about the kind of training what we are imparting to the youth. And the youth of today will decide the destiny of our country in the future. So it is important for them to learn the skills of the day. One is artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, mechatronics, and such kind of technology, so that they can remain relevant and make India as the manufacturing hub of the world. Karnataka, particularly Bangalore city, has the potential to become the manufacturing hub for aerospace products as well as defense products. And drone is one of them. So I wish all the youth a great future. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm very happy to attend this grand birthday programs of our respected Honorable MLA. We are very happy to have a stall here to introduce our program. Brevi Multiskilling Academy is a skill development initiative to enhance employability and entrepreneurship for professionals. We mainly focus on diversifying small-scale industries to make them eligible for defense supply. More than 6,000 items are perennially imported from foreign countries. Now, Government of India has instructed small-scale industries to establish these items here in collaboration with the foreign suppliers. Yelahanka being an Air Force base for so many years, we have full potential to convert this into a defense manufacturing hub. All youth can start involving in this defense manufacturing so that they will have a permanent business opportunity here. A great occasion to intimate our friends about this. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity.